Hi, my name is Amy, and in this video I'm going to talk about the mobile ladder in the concrete lab of Faculty of Engineering in University Malaysia Sarawak, which stands for UNIMAS. Firstly, I would like to share some short video about the selection consideration and the inspection of using the mobile work platform properly.
To select the correct mobile ladder for a particular job, the following must be considered. The worksite environment is the first factor in choosing the material from which the ladder is constructed. If the work to be done is near an open source of electricity, a metal mobile ladder should be rejected since metal is an electrical conductor. Electrical shock while working from a mobile ladder can trigger a fall or cause your heart to stop, leading to serious injury or death. In these environments, a clean, dry fiberglass mobile ladder should be used. Next, the total weight the mobile ladder is to support must be considered. Mobile ladders are offered in various load capacities starting at a minimum of 300 pounds. When calculating the total weight, add each user's body weight plus the weight of their clothing and protective equipment and the weight of their tools and supplies. Do not assume that a taller mobile ladder has a higher weight capacity. There is no relationship between mobile ladder height and weight capacity. Next, work height must be considered. Mobile ladders are available in various heights. The height is measured by the distance from the ground to the top step or platform. Mobile ladders should always be tall enough to allow you to do your job without overreaching. Overreaching increases the likelihood of losing your balance and falling from the mobile ladder. Finally, the climbing angle of the mobile ladder must be considered. Where the overall footprint of the mobile ladder is not of great concern, safety and productivity can be enhanced by using models that are designed for forward descent.
Next, the inspection of using the mobile ladder in the right way will be shown in the video shortly.
The key to mobile ladder safety begins with the inspection of the worksite and of the mobile ladder. To properly inspect and secure the worksite, check overhead for electrical hazards or obstructions. Clear any clutter from where the base of the mobile ladder will be located. Be sure the surface on which the mobile ladder is going to be placed is solid, level, and free of anything slippery, such as water, ice, or oil. Block off the area around the mobile ladder to prevent being knocked from it by people or equipment. If you are working around a corner, put up signs to warn others of your presence. Mobile ladders must not be placed in front of closed doors. The door must be blocked open, locked, or guarded. If using outdoors, be aware of environmental conditions. Rain, snow, and ice increase slipping hazards. Wind may cause instability while moving or using mobile ladders. Although highly durable, a mobile ladder can become damaged by improper handling, transport, impact by other objects or rolling equipment, fire, or corrosion. A thorough inspection should be made at the time of purchase and before each use. Never use a damaged mobile ladder.
However, if you have failed to follow the instructions, you might be under a risk from falling from height, as accidents occur due to careless mistake. And the next short clip will be showing the common reasons that cause people to fall from the mobile ladder.
Common factors contributing to falls from improper mobile ladder use include haste, sudden movement, poor quality footwear, and lack of attention. Using proper use techniques will provide the mobile ladder maximum stability and ensure your safety. Follow these guidelines prior to using a mobile ladder. Always read all the manufacturer's instruction and safety materials before attempting to use a mobile ladder. To properly position a mobile ladder, roll it into the working position carefully. The ladder's position must be on a solid, level surface and located so that no overreaching is necessary. deactivate the casters using the mobile ladder's locking mechanism. Some designs require the activation of a locking device. Others are spring-loaded and require only the weight of the climber to prevent the casters from rolling. Never use a mobile ladder with the locking mechanism disengaged. Failure to do so may result in injury or death. Before taking the first step onto the mobile ladder, make sure you're in condition to do so. If you feel tired or dizzy or are prone to losing balance, stay off the ladder. Do not use a mobile ladder if you are impaired due to illness, drugs, alcohol, age, or physical handicap. Wear slip-resistant shoes with heavy soles to prevent foot fatigue. For maximum traction, clean your shoes of sticky or slick substances. Always read warning labels and instruction labels prior to use. Contact the equipment manufacturer with any questions. Always inspect any ladder before use and remove from service any ladder with suspected damage or missing parts. This includes rubber feet at the bottom of the ladder. Missing or worn labels must be replaced. Please contact the manufacturer. Double-check that all locking mechanisms are properly engaged. Continually face the ladder as you climb, work, or descend, unless the mobile ladder is specifically designed for forward descent use. Climb and descend slowly and avoid sudden movements. When using a mobile ladder with handrails, always keep at least 2 points of contact with the mobile ladder, grasping a handrail with at least one hand and keeping 1 foot on a step at all times. Keep clothing and body parts away from all moving mobile ladder components, including the locking mechanism. Keep the middle of your body positioned between the side rails and do not overreach or lean over the hand or guardrails while working. Overreaching is one of the most common causes of ladder accidents. Don't overreach. To move the mobile ladder, first descend and fully exit the mobile ladder. Then, disengage the locking mechanism and relocate. Never move a mobile ladder or disengage the locking mechanism when the ladder is in use. Do not jump or slide down from a mobile ladder or climb more than 1 step at a time. Never place the mobile ladder upon other objects, such as boxes, barrels, scaffolds, or other unstable bases in an effort to obtain additional height. Do not use a mobile ladder in front of a door unless the door is secured in an open position, locked, or guarded. Do not use a metal mobile ladder near open electrical circuits. Contact with an energized circuit or conductor will cause an electrical shock. Do not use on uneven or sloping surface. Units are to be used on a flat, level surface. Do not stand on the railing, toe board, mid-rails, or top guardrails. Access to or egress from any step or platform from any other elevated surface shall be prohibited unless the unit is equipped with a removable gate or chain and the ladder has been positively secured against any movement. Never use a mobile ladder for any purpose other than the one for which it is intended.
During my visitation in a concrete lab, I noticed that people who uses the mobile ladder is under a risk from falling from height, as the mobile ladder in the concrete lab do not have the locking mechanism, which is shown in the picture. This could cause the users from falling from the mobile ladder. For example, if somebody from down below accidentally pushed the mobile ladder and causes the users to lose its balance and fell from it. Thus, the locking mechanism plays a vital role in stabilizing the mobile work platform. And the picture shown is a proper model that was suggested by American Ladder Institute, having the locking mechanism of the front leg and the rubber pad to stabilize the mobile ladder while people are using it. From my observation, there are engineering control type and administrative control type in this preventive nature of the mobile ladder in the concrete lab. Firstly, the engineering control type of the mobile ladder is the mid-rail and the safety chain of the mobile ladder that's stopping users to go further from the steps and securing them from falling from the platform. Whereas the administrative control type of this preventive nature is that the information was presented on the walls and the instruction was given to the students before they entering the lab. Last but not least, as for the negative nature of the engineering control type is not found based on my observation during my visitation, but we need to wear PPE, personal protective equipment in order to enter the lab, which is the hard hat and the safety boots to reduce the risk of getting injured by the heavy objects that might fall. Thank you for paying attention to my video.